creating on the very edge of your self-belief. How do you go about doing this? You have to break it down into steps. Let me give you a specific problem I'm facing here. This track, Missing You, is pretty much ready to go. I could let it go. It sounds now exactly like it sounded when I first recorded it, except I've taken out as many mistakes and little glitches and bits as I can. But in my head, I can hear additional strings and brass section for the intro, which is quite long. It runs for 53 bars, and then the main tune gets into it. It's the longest tune, maybe 5 minutes or so. But the dialogue going on inside my head is, you might get the notes down, mate, but it's not going to sound like you can hear it in your head. You're just wasting time, and basically don't go there. But the other side of me, the creative side, says, yeah, but if I can hear it, I should try it. So how do you get yourself to the point where you're going to be satisfied with the result? Well, this is how I'm going about it. I might fall flat on my face. I'm just sharing the journey with you. I am going to get away from the computer when I create today, and instead I'm going to go for a walk, take a break, might go for a coffee. I'll be playing the tune, I'll be thinking about the tune, and I'll be stopping and I'll be listening for when my inner voice takes over. Those are the riffs that I value. Now, don't forget, this is strings and brass, so these are counter melodies to the main melody that's going on. They're supporting melodies, and I've got a piano part in here which may already contain the call and answer riffs. You start off with the singing and perhaps the piano playing at that point. That's the call, and then the answer is what the strings and the horns do. And so some of those will already be in here. I'll just take the piano out and substitute it for one of these two. But then in addition to that, there'll be supporting melodies that play alongside. So, step one, go away from the computer and let your inner self come up with the riffs. Step two, put the riffs down. It's going to sound poor at this point. I believe it will. That's what I'm expecting. So, don't beat yourself up. And then step three, play with the minute bits of timing. And these kind of instruments, they come with expression things built in. So build a few of those in. Try and make the thing real and see where we end up. I may fall flat on my face. I'm not actually expecting to succeed. I just think if you can hear it, you should try and go for it. And that's where we're at sci-fi funk.com.